Hi, and welcome to The Buzz with Buzzitta. I'm Mark Buzzitta from Capital Area District Libraries. We're here outside of CADL downtown Lansing today, and each week we're spending a minute or so sharing some of the upcoming events at our 14 locations across Ingham County. A reminder, the 2026 Summer Reading Challenge is underway, and it's not too late to sign up. Stop into your local CADL branch or go online to CADL.org to register for the Summer Reading Challenge. Now, here are some of the fun events coming up this week at CADL. Wednesday, June 24th at 10:30 a.m. at CADL Williamston, it's an experience you won't soon forget. Crazy Craig's Juggling variety show will keep you smiling and laughing. Enjoy non-stop action and audience participation, amazing juggling of all sorts of crazy objects, plus tricks on unicycles and more. Wednesday, June 24th at 1:30 p.m. at CADL Holt, it's the Arbor Hands-On Museum and Leslie Science and Nature Center. We'll leave no stone unturned as participants identify some of the Earth's wondrous rocks, minerals, and everything in between. Together, we'll learn about the Earth's different rock types before participating in a challenge to identify mystery rocks and minerals by running various experiments and tests. Thursday, June 25th at 10:30 a.m. at Dansville Elementary, it's Cameron Zvara's Comedy Magic Show. Mind-blowing magic, squeaky clean comedy, and tons of audience participation for all ages. For more information about these and all of our events, go online to CADL.org and look for CADL in your community this summer, including at the Williamston Senior Center. And now you know The Buzz with Buzzitta.